Hi guys, Melvin here from Neuron Digital. In this short tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to customize the Jumper game using Android Studio. I'm going to be explaining how to change the images, how to change some of the code to make the project more suitable for your business. So when you purchase the template, you'll get all these folders here. The most important one is the Jumper folder here. We need to import this into Android Studio. So open up Android Studio, make sure you have version 2.2.1 and open up the Jumper project. When the project is opened, Android Studio will immediately try to build it. If everything is fine, the build will be marked as successfully. If not, you probably have some missing library, or you don't have the latest Android Studio version, or maybe you don't have the latest build version, so make sure to install them before. The first step you need to do is to try to run the project by pressing the play button here. And after doing that, go ahead and rename the project ID by going to Jumper here, opening Java, right-click on Jumper, and click on Refactor. Click on Rename, and you can put in your app name in here. I'm just going to put in app name, and click on Refactor. Click on Do Refactor once again, and we need to do this once again for Neuron Digital. So right-click on Neuron Digital, Refactor, and Rename. And instead of Neuron Digital here, you're going to put in your company name. I'm just going to put in company name. To show you how to do this, click on Refactor and click on Do Refactor once again. We need to do this step once again in the Gradle script, so open up the build.gradle of module Jumper, and we need to put in the project ID that we put in here. So instead of Neuron Digital, put in your app name. And instead of Neuron Digital, put in your company name. And instead of Jumper, put in your app name. When that's done, we can go to step 3, which is changing the strings.xml file content. So in here, you can change your app name from Jumper to any app name you want, and you can also translate any text from here. This file also includes your advertising variables. So you have all these variables here, which are the advertising variables. So after creating an AdMob account and creating an AdMob project, you can get your AdMob app ID, which you can put in here. And if you wish to create a banner ad or an interstitial ad, you can put their relevant IDs in here or in here. When that's done, you can go ahead and change the images. So you can do that from the drawable folder. You can replace all these images in here. The most important image in here is the icon, which you should replace to make your project more unique. After doing that, you can replace the audio from here, from the raw folder. So make sure to copy and paste your audio files to replace all these placeholder audio files here. In the next part of the tutorial, I'm going to walk you a bit through the actual code of the app. So you have the notch folder, which you probably don't need to change because it contains all the lower level functions of the app, and most of the code that you need to modify is in the main game.java here. So to make it easier for you to customize the code, I included to-do decks like this here. So if you search for them, you will find the code that you will most likely want to change from the file. So for example, this part here, you can change the accelerometer speed, for example, or score controls. And from this part here, you can change the gameplay, sort of like the X and Y axis of the bars, how many bars you have for the jumper to jump on, and the bar types and the special powers on that particular bar. So you have all those bars here, which you can to delete and just remove them like this. If you wish to change the background of the game, you can do so from line 1087. From here, you also have a tag describing it. So this part here is rendering the background on the canvas, which you can modify, and this part here is rendering the clouds on the background. When you have finished the customization, go to the top bar of Android Studio, click on Build, and click on Generate Signed Bundle APK, and you can select one of these from a bundle and APK, press next, and follow this wizard to export your APK so that you can upload it to Google Play. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and if you wish to see more videos like this, feel free to subscribe to this channel. Thanks.